Have you ever wondered if subliminal messages are secretly influencing your decisions? The idea that hidden cues in advertisements or media can manipulate our behavior has been a topic of fascination for decades. It's a compelling thought that without even realizing it, we might be controlled by messages slipping into our subconscious. But how much truth is there to this claim? In today's video, we're exploring the myth of subliminal messaging to uncover what science has to say. By the end, you'll know whether these hidden signals are truly shaping your actions or if it's all just a clever marketing ploy. Let's dive in. The myth: subliminal messages can control behavior. The myth suggests that subliminal messages, embedded in advertisements, movies, or music, can bypass our conscious awareness and directly influence our thoughts and actions. From encouraging us to buy products to altering our beliefs, these messages are often portrayed as a powerful tool for manipulation. But is this really the case? The reality: what science tells us. Research into subliminal messaging paints a far less dramatic picture. While it's true that subliminal cues can have a minimal effect under specific conditions, there is little evidence to suggest they have a powerful or lasting impact on behavior. Here's what studies reveal. Short-term influence. Some experiments have shown that subliminal messages can temporarily prime individuals to think about certain ideas or concepts. For instance, flashing the word drink might make someone marginally more likely to grab a beverage, but only if they were already thirsty. Limited scope. Subliminal effects are generally weak and context-dependent. They cannot force someone to act against their will or dramatically change their behavior. Conscious awareness matters. Most of our decisions are influenced by conscious thought and overt messaging, making subliminal cues a minor factor at best. Misinformation and hype. Much of the fear surrounding subliminal messaging stems from exaggerated claims in pop culture and pseudoscience, rather than robust scientific evidence. Why does the myth persist? If subliminal messaging isn't as powerful as it's made out to be, why do so many people believe in its influence? There are a few reasons. Pop culture. Influence. Movies and TV shows often depict subliminal messaging as a tool for mind control, reinforcing the myth. Paranoia and suspicion. The idea that unseen forces are controlling us taps into common fears and makes for an intriguing narrative. Marketing myths. Some advertisers have leaned into the mystique of subliminal messaging to make their campaigns seem more effective or innovative. So can subliminal messages control your behavior? The science says no. While they might have a fleeting and minor influence under certain conditions, they're far from the mind-controlling force they're often made out to be. The good news is that you're in control of your decisions, not hidden messages in the background. If you found today's video enlightening, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more myth-busting content, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.